Hey folks, we're back in the garden, and it's beginning to look like these little grapevines I've got here aren't coming back. I think those rabbits last year killed them because I don't see any budding anywhere. So it might be time to move on, and I've got a few plants I'm going to put in their place. Let's take a look over here. So we've got a few grapes over here. I think the best thing to do is to replace them with those ones. So we'll replace 2 of those grapes with 2 of these here, and I've got a new tomato plant I bought. I'll transplant to that one also. So that's what we're going to do today.
greensandmachines.com.
See here, this thing is dead. It's dead. Well, there it is, folks. I removed all of the old grapes. I'm going to fill up those new ones so I can plant, or I'm going to fill up those containers so I can plant something new in there. For now, we got grapevine here, and my Isis candy tomato here. And with that tomato plant, I plan to take some cuttings from it once it gets bigger. Maybe try some out in the hydroponic garden once we get there. For now, unfortunately, these grapes, they're dead. There's only one place to put them. Rest in peace. So that's what I did today in the garden. No, it doesn't look like this one's gonna make it either. Those little strawberries, not making it. Thought I could.